Hey guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. Kind of a pretty good week for me in the market. I'm ending with 4.1% profit on my total capital. You will be able to see the profit right now on your screens, but not so good for Nifty if you see 1.7% down, but Bank Nifty if you see 0.89% up. So why is this? I'm going to go through that first of all very quickly. First of all, because if you see S&P 500 not having such a great week, Nasdaq not having such a great week, Dow Jones not having such a great week. So US markets and all have fallen very much in the last week because of bad consumer price inflation data. So that's why IT sector is not performing, didn't perform very good in this week. If you see TCS down 6.5 percentage, Infosys down close to 9%. So what happens is that whenever IT sector tends to not perform good, a lot of money from IT sector is pulled out by people and is invested in banking sector. And that's why if you see on the day where we opened with a big gap down, Bank Nifty recovering, this was Wednesday when Bank Nifty opened near 40,300 and closed near 41,400, because all the money was taken out from IT sector and put into banking sector. And that's why if you see Bank Nifty outperforming, but Nifty in general just going down and down and down. That was the reason. If you see Nifty wasn't able to break the high of 18,100, it took continuous 3 times resistance from there. And but Bank Nifty, if you see, making a new all-time high, and I had said in my Telegram channel that we can see a new all-time high this week, in this month itself. But to be very honest, I wasn't expecting Bank Nifty to make an all-time high very fast. So early. I was expecting somewhere near the last week of September that this would happen, but nonetheless, this happened. And yeah, Bank Nifty, that's why outperforming Nifty by so much, because a lot of money has been taken out from the IT sector and put into banking sector. But again, what can we expect for next week? If you see weekly closing of Bank Nifty, pretty better. I mean, very better than Nifty if you see. But again, now it's important for Nifty and Bank Nifty to consolidate over here in this zone. Both Nifty shouldn't, if we get a closing below 17,500 for this week, pretty bearish closing near the low of the week for Nifty and in Bank Nifty, then we can expect more pain to come in the market. But it is important that even if we go down in the week, closing should be near 17,500 in Nifty and above 40,000 in Bank Nifty, because it is important for us to consolidate in this range if we want to continue this rally on the upside and touch new all-time high in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. If we start moving down from here, or if we get a closing below 40,000 in Bank Nifty, then you can expect more pain to come in the market. You can expect easily 39,000, 38,200, these levels in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So guys, it is very important that even if we move down in the week, it is very important that we get a good closing somewhere near the high of the candle itself and not near the low of the candle in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So that is for the week, right? But what can we expect in for tomorrow? If you see, 17,480 is a very important support in Nifty. Again, 17,480 to 490. Nifty took support from Nifty, opened over here and just shot up from here. So 17,490 again becomes very important. 480 to 490 zone is very important. So as soon as we open tomorrow and cross and get a closing below 5-minute closing below 17,490, you guys can take a trade, bearish trade over here. Your first target can easily become 17,410 on the downside. If you open with a gap down, stay cautious, because we could see a pullback from here on the upside and your stop loss might get hit. So if we open with a gap down, wait for some sort of price action and then only take a trade. If you guys are still confused, you guys can join my Telegram channel. There I'll post all of my trade updates, and then you guys can take trades with me if you are very confused. On the upside, if we 17,620, the swing high becomes very important. As soon as we get a 5-minute closing above 17,620, you guys can take a trade over here. Your first target can easily become 17,690 to 17,700 on the upside. Bank Nifty looking way less bearish than Nifty, but again 41,000 becomes very important resistance on the upside. So until and unless we get a 15-minute closing above 41,000, do not take a trade over here. This zone could be very volatile, and your stop losses might get it. So as soon as we get a closing above 41,000, your first target can easily become 41,100 to 41,130. If we do, however, break this high of 41,130 tomorrow and get a closing above this, you can expect Bank Nifty to again move up till 41,100, 41,500, because then there could good short covering could happen in Bank Nifty as well. But again, on the downside, as until unless we cross 40,500, I am not convinced, because there could be a lot of volatility over here. So until unless we get a closing below 40,500, a 15-minute closing, do not take a trade. Once we get a 15-minute closing, then you can take a trade. Your first target then becomes 40,300 on the downside. So yeah, guys, again, as I said, this week, even if we move down in the first half of the week, it's fine, but the closing should be very important. Closing should be above 40,000 in Nifty, and close to 17,000, 300 to 400 above this level only in Nifty. And above 40,000 in Bank Nifty. But if we do get a bearish closing, then there could be a lot more pain coming in the markets for the coming weeks. But we need to see how that goes. And yeah, guys, I hope you liked my analysis, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you guys tomorrow.